Friends, welcome back. Till now we solved some problems of partial fractions, right? Now we solve partial fractions of improper. If they are improper, then how can we solve? That is, if degree of f of x is equal to degree of g of x. Degree of g of x. For this type of problems where we can take one constant k plus and the resolved r of x plus g of x, where this one will be the proper partial fraction. This is a proper rational fraction. R of x by g of x is a proper rational fraction, and where k is a constant. Now we solve one problem so that you can understand it properly. Okay. Now the problem is x square by x minus 1 into x minus 2. Here the degree of numerator is, the quotient of it is 1, and the degree of denominator is 2 and the quotient of it is 1. So we take a constant as, constant k can be written as quotient of highest degree in numerator by quotient of highest degree in denominator. So here the quotient of highest degree is 2. Quotient of highest degree is 2. Degree is 2 and the quotient is 1. By, and here x square. So highest degree is 2 and the quotient is 1. So the k value is 1. Now we solve this partial fraction, that is k plus a by x minus 1 and b by x minus 2. We already solved k value is 1. That is a plus a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. Okay. Now taking LCM, x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. Now multiply both sides by x minus 1 into x minus 2. The denominators will get cancelled. Then what we get? X square in the left hand side, and what we will get? X minus 1 into x minus 2 plus a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. Now here what we have to put, x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. What happened for this? 1 square, that is 1, and this will be cancelled and this will be cancelled. A into 1 minus 2, that is minus a. So a value is minus 1, and put x is equal to 2. This will be cancelled and this will be cancelled. We remain here. So 2 square is equal to b into 2 minus 1, that is b. So b value is 4. So a value is minus 1, a value is minus 1, b value is 4. substitute a and b values in this equation, we get 1 minus 1 by x minus 1 plus 4 by x minus 2. So friends, this is the sum we solved when the rational fraction is improper.